In this video, I'm going to go over the assembly process and also give you a closer look at this nightstand from Furnulem so you know what to expect when your product arrives. The assembly process is super easy. This is all the pieces that come with it. There really isn't much, and they give you all the tools you need to get this assembled. The first step is just getting the frame put together. Basically, if you can screw in bolts, you can get this done. There's a couple bolts on the bottom and a few more at the top that you have to have secured. Overall, this process took me about 15 minutes to get the frame together. Now the next step is getting the wooden shelves and power outlet installed. The shelves are super easy, just 4 screws that go on the sides, and the power outlet you just slide in the top, put 2 screws in, and you're good to go. Overall, this process took me about 10 minutes to get the shelves and the outlet in there. And now for the final step, which is just assembling the drawers. This is the easiest step of them all. The drawers just expand. You put a wooden support piece at the bottom and then screw in the handles with 2 small screws. Overall, I had opened, installed in about 5 minutes. And here's what it looks like fully assembled. I love the outlets and the USB ports at the top so you don't have to worry about messing around with the surge protector. And I also like the LED lights on there. I think they're a really nice touch. You can change colors with them. And they come with their own remote that's on the cord, or you can download an app to control them off your smartphone. But overall, this is a great nightstand for any bedroom. If you need some extra room in your dresser or closet, it's just overflowing. The 4 drawers on the bottom are going to give you that extra storage space, which is nice. So I give this nightstand 2 thumbs up.